Hey YouTube, welcome to another video. I recently purchased a mechanical keyboard that went on sale for about $18. It is a PicTech TKO, meaning 10 killers, doesn't have a numpad. It's an RGB wired mechanical keyboard. It is more of an RGB rainbow keyboard, meaning the colors cannot be changed and each key have a fixed color in each zone. So let's start unboxing the keyboard. So it's got a manual and a keycap puller. Laptop and see how it works. Okay, so like I said, this is a more of an rainbow RGB keyboard, meaning each lights cannot be changed. If it's red, it's red. If it's yellow, yellow. It's green, it's green. Blue, blue, and purple is purple. So the keyboard is divided into 4 zones. The left nose is are red, followed by yellow, followed by green, blue, and then purple. So technically it's an RGB keyboard, but not necessarily a per key RGB keyboard fully customizable, although this keyboard offers some sort of customization as well. The one that I got is a blue clicky keyboard. It's not a Cherry MX, it's more of a clone, probably an off-brand. Let's see if I can find any markings on the switch. Nope, cannot. But it is clicky, definitely clicky. And as you can see, the keycaps can be replaced. The fonts are not blatantly shouting gamer. I really like the fonts in here. The letters and the fonts are not too loud. It's a little bit subtle compared to other gaming keyboards that I have. It offers media keys like the back, forward, and play, calculator, windows, volume, as well as brightness. So the way you change the key custom lighting on this keyboard is you press function and choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's either the insert button, the home, page up, the delete, and the end keyboard. And let's try experimenting on those. Okay. So this one is just a steady light. Okay. So the up arrow function, up arrow is the brightness, the down arrow is the brightness, low, darker, or turn on or turn off. Okay, and let me do it again. Trying to change. Okay, that locks the Windows key so that you don't accidentally launch your start menu if you're on playing a game. Let me go back to the function keys. Okay, more function keys. So this is the beating mode. Okay, that's the beating mode, and let me speed it up. Okay, and slow down. Slowing it down almost doesn't fade up anymore. And for the other one. It's like an explosion. Okay, so let me just so for 18 bucks, I think this is pretty cool. Um, if you haven't tried a mechanical keyboard, I think this is a good starter keyboard at $18. Regular price probably around $28 or $23 depending on um, um, the keyboard and the prices of the keyboard. But normally it goes for $28. Like I said, I got it for on sale. Got some coupons, some discounts, and I got it for $18 at the time last week actually. So for $18, this is a nice keyboard. Doesn't have much heft to it. It's pretty light. I would have liked if the keyboard cable is also braided. Feels cheap, but it's okay. It doesn't feel like it's gonna last. Uh, good good news is that the cable is pretty long, so pretty sure it's gonna be enough for most desks and computer setup. If your computer is on the floor, it should be long enough. The keyboard cable should be long enough. um, doesn't have a very loud logo. It's very small in here. Probably you can cover it with other logos if you like, but yeah, it's made of plastic and it has rubber feet. You can raise it as rubber feet to raise it a little bit higher at an angle. It's actually pretty cool. The design, like I said, is mostly gamer. It's a floating key style. The keycaps are easy to remove, easy to replace, and it's got a nice feeling to it. Doesn't really feel cheap as far as the keycaps are concerned. So there you go.